Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on FTT or the FTX token. Wanted to make a quick video on that since we have rallied quite a bit. I think we're up about 70% right now. I'm not sure what how much we were actually up at the very top. We're up 90% now, excuse me. And at the very top we were up like 110. I mean, you can see right here 130 even. Massive rally. It's now at almost $1 billion market cap again, which I think is absolutely crazy, to be honest. I mean, even when most of this bullish momentum came from positive news from FTX, right? So they actually retrieved a lot of money in assets, 7.3 billion, which is absolutely amazing. It's amazing for everybody involved with FTX. Everybody that run that company should still go to jail. I think that they committed crimes. It's just an example to the industry, I think. But apart from that, excuse me, I'm a little bit sick this morning. But apart from that, there's also plans for a reorganization and a restart of the exchange, which obviously that FTT is now going up is partially speculative, I think. But apart from that, there's also hope that maybe the token will be brought back into circulation and will be brought back as a real token again, which I do think, and it still exists, by the way, so it's still a real token, but I do not think it will provide meaningful value for FTX again. Just the whole role it played in the downfall of FTX, I think is enough to never use it in that capacity again. Now, still, as I said, there's also speculation involved. So if FTX really gets restarted, FTT will rally higher. That's true. But all right, before we get into the technicals of FTT right now, because we already discussed the fundamentals a bit now, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results if you're interested in that. So now onto FTT. So the big thing is that we rallied quite a bit and we actually hit a major resistance around $3, psychological level, the 1.618 FIB, which is usually a very strong level. So we hit a major resistance. We've also had some sort of a bearish confirmation. You can see that we went up higher, but then we found resistance at 2.6. Right now, the main level, the most important level, if we actually want to rally up higher, would be this level right here, around 2.6 and 2.5. We're actually around 2.5 now, but that's well, let's just say 2.6 then. So you can see that, and this is a bit of a difficult thing, is that we spiked up on Binance towards that level at around $3, but on CoinMarketCap, for example, it shows that we haven't hit that. So on exchanges, this wick differs. And that's why I think that there's still a lot of resistance at that level. So I think that even if we are able to break above 2.6, which I would say is not the most likely scenario, but it's a realistic scenario. Even then, I think we would still just get up to $3 and find resistance there. And then if we are actually able to hold 2.75 or 2.6 as a support, sure, then we can break above that towards 3.5, but that's something for later. I still think, though, that it's the most likely scenario that we had all the news now, and that it's more likely that, you know, we might get above 2.6, but we will not break above that, and that we will slowly start dropping down to our next support around 2.2, and eventually drop down all the way to $2. And at $2, I mean, in the end, I must say that the value or the potential value of FTT has gone up. So I do think $2 as a support, first of all, will hold. But when we hit that level, I also want to make an update to see whether we can actually keep holding it or whether it's just a temporary support level and that will drop down lower afterwards. So I'll still keep you updated on FTT, but for now, these are my thoughts. This is my analysis. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.